Good morning. We are going to make our water. It's with the fiber in it, and it also has my colostrum. That's been really helping with my weight loss journey. I'm Lila. I'm 53, menopausal weight, but I am down 20 pounds now. So here's what we do. So first I'm going to add this. It's blood orange, so it tastes really great. Then I like to add a little bit of this. I keep it in this jar. Sorry, my lighting's so bad. I go in with this collagen because it has superfoods. I like that I'm adding that. And you know, I take the silica in the morning. Here's the silica. I keep my collagen in here. Then this is my fiber. It's a husk. I think I've shown you guys that before. Scoop of that. This really helps curb my appetite. And even though I have been able to drop 20 pounds, it has taken over 6 months, but I don't have any face stump. Actually, I feel like with my skincare and my collagen and the silica and face massage, my skin is actually tighter. And no, I don't ever get Botox or fillers, never have. I don't know if I ever will, but never have. And I'm 53, so, and I do tend to have drier skin in the fall and winter. So it's really important to stay hydrated and keep drinking so you are plump and dewy. All right, bye guys.